back to another video. This is Kiaan and this is Dhruva's. This is going to be uploaded to both of our channels. This is the only time you'll be seeing me because I'm just going to basically be the cameraman for the rest of this video. We're just in the lift. Dhruv has 2 QR codes. One is for my channel, one is for his channel. We're going to get random people from my uncle's office and his dad's office to subscribe to our channel. We are at the 2nd floor. Dhruv, stop dancing. Bro's being cringe. Anyways, Dhruv, could you please start on where we are?
We are in the 2nd floor Springboard office. So let's go inside the explore and take our subscribers.
Issue. Nobody is there. Yeah.
So we are again going to the 3rd floor.
So, we're showing the QR codes. So first he is going to subscribe to my channel. We got that subscriber, but he doesn't want us to take a video. It's totally fine with us because it's his own phone. We can't do much. So anyway, shout out to him. If you are seeing this, thank you very much for subscribing.
Can put the card, please?
Okay, so this is our card. Actually, I'll not show that. 1 second, please. Okay, yeah, it should be opened. And yeah, this is the 3rd floor.
Subscribe karo bhai. You guys got 2 different channels?
Yeah.
This is
Mine.
This is
okay. I
mine.
subscribed to yesterday.
Yeah.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
TikTok.
I know your thing.
He will do TikTok.
Oh, nice.
So he just has to subscribe. Thank you. Okay, and yeah. Another 2 new subscribers. Shout out to those guys for subscribing. And we found our target. There is a girl over there. So yeah, he is going to currently ask her.
Subscriber channels.
So your channel. But the other one also.
And you can subscribe his channel as well with this one.
So you both have separate channels?
Yeah.
Yes. So, and we're making a video about people subscribing to our channels
Yeah.
currently. So yeah, thank you. Okay. She said she'll make sure her sister subscribes. So we got 2 new subscribers then, I guess.
Can you subscribe our channel?
For sure, I will do it. What channel are you into?
I'll do science videos.
You do science videos?
Yeah.
Interesting, you were telling me about science the other day.
Yeah.
I remember. I'll do.
So
This channel does not have any content in it.
You should go to shorts.
Shorts.
yeah. And
Okay.
videos. I have 3 videos and
Okay, how do I subscribe this page then?
just click on a video.
Yeah.
Click on this.
Yeah.
And here again.
Done. There you go.
Got another subscriber. Yeah, we're really climbing up today. So yeah, next up. Officially completed it. We have done over like 8 to 9 to 10 subscribers. I think so. Maybe not. You can calculate. I think. Yeah. Bye. Bye. Subscribe for more. Please subscribe. We have very less subscribers.
Subscribe more the channel. I have
Yes.
more subscribers. We do the subscribers.
Yeah, bro. Okay. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. So
And
you
my
can-
channel also. I have 0 play button. You have 1 play button.
I don't have a play button, bro. Okay, guys. So anyway, he's just trying to brag. So please just subscribe so I can brag to him and he stops bullying and roasting my channel. Or else.